welcome back to the channel. If you guys are from California, you guys know that there's been fires here around the Orange County area, Irvine area, around there. Prayers to everybody out there, because it is hard, and I hope that no one is getting affected out there, but the fires are getting out of hand, and that's how it is in California, you know. We have fires and earthquakes and stuff like that because we have the hot beaming sun behind us at all times, pretty much all year this year, you know, with the hard times with Corona, but the sun has always been there, and I hope no one is affected. And the cars are full of ash. This is what I wanted to show you guys, how ashed my car was after 2 days of fire. Check it out. Good morning, guys. We are here and we are gonna go get a car wash because look, we have fires here in California, and the car is absolutely ashed. Look at this. Ash, full of ash. Alright guys, we just got done with the car wash, and we are starving, so we're probably gonna hit a Burger King that's just right here around the corner. And yeah, next to the Ford dealership. Who wants to get a brand new Mustang? Brand new Mustang. Here's the Burger King that we're headed to. And what should we get? What should we get? At the Burger King. What are we gonna get? Alright guys, we got Burger King. I got a Whopper. Ranch. I got 10-piece spicy. And I got my big old drink. We're gonna eat this Whopper, y'all. See you in a bit.